Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot's pre-market analysis. Let's deep dive into key market insights. Today, we'll start with S&P 500. The market has reached to the point where it should give us a slow decline in the market. And I'll show you what I'm looking at. So right here, if you look at wave number 1, 2, 3, right here, 3, right here, 4, and 5. So let's bring the wave 3 right here. So this was the behavior and the pattern the market was following before. And the wave 3, this was a 3-5-3 pattern. So inside the wave 3, there were another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-3-5 pattern, wave 5. Then there was a slow declining market up to the point of previous low right here, this area. If I highlight with the box, you'll understand. And then you'll be able to understand where we are now. So this is the box declining, marking this as top, all-time high, then decline, then push in the final and crash. So now when we look at here, so now look at what's the current situation. So we are looking at wave 1, 2, all the way here, 3, 4, 5. And inside the wave 3, you will see wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So insider wave 3 had a 5 right here as well. All-time high, slow decline towards the previous low. So where we are looking at now, previous low in this area. So we are looking for the market decline from the current price. Give me 1 second. Let me just uncheck my selection. Okay. Right here. So this is what we are looking at. From this point, the market slow decline towards this area, 575. Slow decline. There is no crash. Make sure you know that. Okay. So market will be in this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow decline right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 575. Possibly the market will take 200 EMA as a retest, which is also the previous low, this point right here. Okay. I'll highlight this for you. This area. This area. So what will happen? Market will decline slowly over the period of time, take 575 as a support line, and then bounce this area. Then this bounce will come and followed by the solid correction. So at this point, we are not looking for a solid correction. We are still bullish, but there will be a slow declining market moving forward towards the point of control line right here, and maximum to the previous low right here, 575, which is also the order block of the support and resistance interchange. This is the support right here, another support right here, another resistance here. So 575, slow decline like this, zigzag down, another shoot up, all-time high, and crash. Okay, that's when we are looking for 12% drop at least. So we are a little far from the market. Most likely that will be the month of September. Okay, around 9 September, that's when the things will go wrong, right in this area. So from here, we are good to go, all position covered, all trade with the merit put, nothing to panic around the market for a major sell-off. But there will be a declining market, but there will be a lot of money to be made on the downside moving forward over the period of time. Okay, and that period of time we are looking at from, it started on 9th of December and lasted over 13th of January. So we are looking for around, let's say, 30 days, over 30 days period of time. Okay, over the next 30 days. So over the next 30 days, we'll see slow decline in the market. Okay, and then another shoot up, and then followed by that there will be a correction. Okay, so that's S&P 500. We are still bullish as long as the market is closing above 9 EMA. Once it's dropped the 9 EMA, there will be the downside trade all across the market. Okay, market is overbought, overvalued entirely. So market has to cool off before the next run. Okay, and then the next run, and then a solid correction. Take the liquidity grab of all the retail investor. Account liquidated. Okay, moving forward to ISRG. So this is the stock we are looking at. It's getting cheaper and cheaper day by day. So price was trading around 620. Right at 526 area, I knew it is a bearish. I alerted. So right now it's trading at 508. If I show you ISRG right here, earning on 22nd of July after the market close, which is short form AMC, bearish. It was tagged as bearish. 526, I alerted that it will drop. Where it will drop, the first price target we are looking at 498, second price target we are looking at 490. Around 490 area will turn our analysis to bullish. This is what we are looking at. So right here in this area, 490 area drop. This drop will continue. We are in a symmetrical triangle. So this trend line and this trend line from the downside, symmetrical triangle. Once it dropped to 490 area, symmetrical triangle will complete, and next time the price will go, it will break out. Why it will break out? Look at the touch point: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there already been a 5 rejection on the trend line. That setup cannot continue. That's where it will take down all the bears. So the price will come to the trend line, everybody will start buying and shorting, and boom, it will break out. This box has already been drawn on the chart almost about 4 to 5 days back, and this is the box we are looking for. The price come down to this right at this area, 0.1, and then shoot up right here. This is how the price will react. So this time, the next recovery on the ISRG, the trend line will break out upside, then retest and shoot up all-time high around $600. But we are not looking to trade up to $600. We are looking for the previous high right in this area. That's it, 560 area max. We'll be trading 560. Our entry will be around 490. 560, we are out, and goodbye to ISRG. All right, moving forward to HIMS. So we are sitting with cash in most of the account, and that's the reason that we were looking at. We were looking for the market to cool off, and that's what is happening. 47.75, we have triple short on him, so we don't have to worry about. Our break even is $22 right now. Sorry, $32. It's trading at $37. No matter how much the market will go through the correction, we cannot lose our trade. That's the game of the advanced strategies. Okay, so even if it's this drop right here, let's say right here, 200 EM at 37, still we will be above break even and $2 in the value. Okay, so we continue holding our triple short position. We have short on the call side. We are triple short on the put side. We'll continue holding this trade. We don't care if it crashes. We are in good position. Moving forward to CELH, we closed our position around 47 area. We knew there will be a correction on the 47 because we bought this stock around $24, right where this is where we started trading in this area, 24 area right here, this bottom, after the wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 all the way right here. So there will be a correction. We knew it, the correction will come, and the correction will come to the NS interchange right in this area around the $40.41 to 39 area. This Fibonacci retracement golden area, this is where it will drop wave 4 and then shoot up all-time high again. So CELH, it's in correction for wave 4. Okay, so this is a normal behavior. It's not a panic situation on the CELH. Okay, so wave 4 back to 40 area, 40.41 or 39.80, something that area in between of this right here. If precisely it take the NS interchange, then it's 39.93. That's the area we're looking at. Under 40 area, a few cents, and then bounce up again. So right now, it's good to wait patiently. Let it come to under $40 before taking a position, because we exit our position at 47. Moving forward to LULU, very interesting setup right here. The stock was trading around 423. That's when we took the short position, long back, not now. Okay, a few quarters back when we were trading earning, we take a short position right here, because after this kind of run up, if I show you a little bit on the left hand side, after this kind of run up, the stock has to sell off, and that's why when this earning was coming, right away after the earning, we took the short position. I traded here. I haven't traded for a long now, for the last few quarters, but this is the area that you want to buy the stock. Why you buy the stock? Especially these kind of stock you buy in your IRA, TFS, and 401k retirement accounts, and then you hold these kind of. Look at this one. So support number 1, support number 2, support number 3. So this line, if you look at this trend line right here, the market is trying to defend this price. So market doesn't want LULU to drop below 235, 230 area. Okay, so this is what everyone is trying to defend, this line, and then bounce up again. So good stock. At this area, you buy and hold it. This is not your trading stock. This is not your, this is kind of your long-term investment. You hold it for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year. Okay. So let the price, if you buy here and it drop further, you buy more, and then you exit at least right in this area around 400. But you can also, if I need to exit, I will never hold for 400. This will be my exit. The previous high right here. This will be my exit, 344 area, and I'm out. Okay. So moving forward to SMCI. Again, we have a trade. We knew it will go to 50.82 precise, and then it will sell off. Okay, maximum upside on this one is $60. We are still bullish on the bull side, but 50.82 was our price target. And if you look at the top, 51.75, this is what we were looking at. We had 3 price target on this one. So first price target was 47.98. It was hit. Second price target was 50.82. Again, it was hit. Third price target was $60. So there is a possible retracement along with the market. We have not retested the 200 EMA. So the maximum it could retrace around 42, 43 area and then bounce up towards $60. Overall, stock is bullish. If you are holding a position, continue holding. We are also holding a short put for $65. We'll continue hold that. We also have a long put for $39. If the price drop, 39 put will make money. Otherwise, we lose on 39 put and $65 put will go worthless, which is at least 4 times the premium that we have paid for the 39. Okay, moving forward to SOFI, there is no point looking at this stock. We bought it at 647. Since then, it's almost trading at 400x. There is no point buying or holding anything. It's done. When we were at 647, we knew it is a $20 stock. But right here, we traded around. We traded first time 647. Then when exit around 14 area, then we again started trading around $8, 9 area, 928, 940 area. And we took an exit around 1478. We have left a lot of profit on the table because our final exit was around $15. After that, we haven't traded. But that's how trading works. It's not every dollar in the market belongs to us, that we have to buy at the bottom, we have to exit at the top. This is not how market works. I was confident that, okay, the price from $10 to $14 is my range. So I took the entry at $10, exit at 1478 or 15 area. Right in this area, we took the exit because this was the fractal right here. This is where the market started selling off. So right in this area, which was 15, right in this area. So 1557, this is the area we took the exit. After that, it goes to $1,000 is none of our business. That's how trading works. When you program your psychology and be very stubborn that what price you will buy, what price you will sell, then you start making money in the stock market. You need a lot of patience and never do the FOMO like, oh my God, I exit at 15.57. Now it's trading at $21. I don't care. I don't care. Bitcoin went to $122,000 last night. It was trading at 7 cents in 2010 or 2009. I did not buy. So how does it matter? So that's how it works. So you need to understand. Okay. After your price target has hit, you always take exit. Okay. Moving forward to TEF here, Fibonacci level and the 200 EMA. So it will fall back maximum in this area around 54 to maximum drop is 50 area, and then will bounce into wave 5 towards 70 area. We are bullish on this one overall, but this correction has been going on. We opened our position right here because we saw this green candle and we were looking at the bounce off because of this point right here in this interchange. So multiple times we were looking at this area that, okay, it will bounce off this area. Weight has gone little down. That's good enough, but our break even is around $32. We don't care how much it drops. We are happy with that. Let it drop even 20%. We'll double down, triple down our position because we are triple short. We have not invested a single dollar. We have collected 4 different premium. Okay, and we have closed 1 trade in profit as well before. So we don't care where it goes. Moving forward to Tesla. Okay. Tesla, I covered when it dropped to 291.03 right here. I mentioned that we are bullish. I was bearish on Tesla at 355.58. That's when I offloaded my position right in this area. As soon as it dropped to 291.03, I turned bullish on this one because I knew it. This correction has already been done. We are again in a kind of triangle here. If you look at the symmetrical triangle right in this area. So this is the reason. You see that? So there is a possibility from here, stock going towards upward, 339.85, which has been very stubborn resistance last time. 339 area right here. You see that? So towards a 321 first price target, 339.20, then a little bit of correction. So the price will stay in this triangle for a while, up, down, up, down, up, down, zigzag pattern. If I show you something like this, you'll see something like this right in this area. And then once we reach to this point, then there will be a major breakout, either upside or downside, because this is a bullish symmetrical triangle right here, because the first leg is right here. So if I need to see how much the breakout will be, this is how you measure. The base of the symmetrical triangle at the top of the symmetrical triangle, precise 439. And if you look at this one, it's automatically coming higher equal to this one. This is where we are going. So symmetrical triangle sideline for next couple of weeks. Okay, around July, August, it will stay in sideline in the symmetrical triangle. Whenever the breakout happen, not necessarily it will go up, down, again, and then break out. Symmetrical triangle can complete anytime right here. Maybe this can be the next bottom and then shoot up like 3. Instead of 3, it straight goes up. So we will see the major breakout on Tesla after this symmetrical triangle is complete. We are looking straight into 441. My price target will be 414, the previous fractal right here. Okay, this one, 414 right at this candle. Okay, this is where the seller took control of the market. Okay, so 414 will be my price target, possible 441, but we are not breaking out right now. I think in a couple of weeks we will see the breakout, and then it's like the train is gone. QBTS, we have this stock. We have taken the position. We sold the covered call. We have booked the profit on the covered call. We are looking for a little bit of correction right in this area. Maximum we are looking at 13.57. There is a possibility of further drop in this one, but we'll continue holding this. There's a lot of upside on this. So you see this NS interchange, at least this is the area it will not drop below. So we are looking at the price right here around 1136, 1140 area. It will not drop below 1140 area. Okay. So if you are looking at, if you are the position we are holding, we have taken a profit on the covered call. If it does not bounce off right in this area and fail to hold this 30 EMA or NS interchange, we will not average down, will not double down as if now. We will continue holding our position, continue selling the covered call on this one. In this area, that's where we will double down our position around 1145. If I can give you the precise on the QBTS, it's a good stock to accumulate to build your position. Okay. All right. So what we are looking at on QBTS. Okay. So QBTS, we are looking at. So we'll continue holding our position. 1073 is the price target. Take a note, 1073. Okay. It should hold the first point at 14.77, wave 4. 14.77 it should hold. If it failed to hold 14.77, then nothing is stopping it to go to 1073. Even if the price is so low, we will hold our position. We'll double down. We'll double down our position in this area and then ride all the way. If we bought at around, let's say 15, 16 area, and then we double down at 16, so our average will be around 13 area, plus the profit we have taken on the covered call, and we continue selling the covered call on this one. Don't stay exposed because it's negative, team up bearish, so there is a possibility of drop down, downside. Okay. ASAN. ASAN was never the official alert in the group. So we were looking for, the CEO was buying like crazy. So there is a possibility of a little bit of correction in this area. Again, equal low right in this area and then shoot up towards 19 area. Overall, it's good in this area. Okay. It was not an alert in the Discord to buy, but it was just a random for your information kind of things that ASN, the CEO, is buying. But some of in the group as well and on the stock trade, some people added this position. But you are good to hold in this area. There is not more downside. So maybe a little bit of $1 correction and then shoot up towards minimum. It will come to this area, this sell side order block 1659, 19 area, and this will be, so this first price target right here, the previous high 1814 area, maximum up to 2290 area. This is not going all time high. It won't go right here. You need to understand the game. So what will happen? This will break out, retests, continue, finish 22 area. So don't hold after this. If I need to exit my position, I'll exit in this one, the first previous high, and I'm out. I don't care where it goes. If it goes to $1,000 because it's quantum system, I don't care. None of my business. There are other stock to check. If I exit from this stock at 19, this area, 18 area, why do I have to continue in this train when I know that the Tesla has a symmetrical triangle to break out towards 441 area? So look for the opportunity in a good stock. Okay. So right here. So whenever you are in profit, you exit, you go in a stock where you see more dollar coming in. All right. So continue. Let's move forward to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we are still bullish. Okay. What's the situation? Why the Bitcoin is breaking out? Bitcoin at 117. I tweeted right here if you look at the region, and then I'll explain you why Bitcoin is up. So right in this area, if I click here. So when the Bitcoin was trading at 117,660, okay, I tweeted this one, Bitcoin either 124,560.09 or 98,579. So still the bottom is $98,000. That's where I'm looking to enter. I'm waiting and it will come back. Okay. So what we are looking at, why 124,560? Because we are in a price discovery area. So what happens when we have like this area, which was 108, 109, and suddenly the price goes to 111, and so another all-time high, and then it goes to 117 area, another all-time high. Then any stock, when the stock price or any crypto which has never been to this high, what happens? That's the area called price discovery area. Means the market try to find the new all-time high. So 117, when the price was this sideline in this area, okay, right in this area. So when the market was trading right here, we knew it. Either it will fail here from this point, okay, the previous low, 98, and after that we recovered right in this area at 110. At 110 was the point. Either you fail completely and drop down towards 98 again, and even below 98, okay? Or if you break out above, which was happening, we were seeing the bullish candle every single day. So the breakout means we were now in a price discovery area, means we will find the new all-time high where the buyer is willing to pay the dollar for this one. So that's why we are in the price discovery area right now. How much it can go? It can go to 124,569 most likely, and it should then give us a small correction. Even if it want to continue towards 139, 171,000 dollar, at 124, it should give us a correction. I do not have a position in this one, but I'm looking for an entry around $98,000. Sooner or later, you'll see the market crashing all over, okay? Because if the market is so easy that everybody buys, the market goes up, everybody buy Bitcoin, it goes up, everybody makes happy, like happy ending. No, it's not going to happen. This is not how market works. Market will make people bleed and cry and beg and pray that please God save my position. I will never buy again. Those kind of days will come. And some people, they forget these kind of situation. You know, I can tell you that when we were here right on 9th of April, 90% of people were praying, no matter what religion you follow, but you were praying that please save my position. I'll never buy stocks. So people tend to forget those days. Okay. And that's what the market will teach them again, right in this area. And that's what S&P 500 12% correction the next time again will make sure that people remember this. The market goes down. It's very normal behavior. When the market is going upward, everybody is making money. It's a lot of euphoria in the market, a lot of FOMO, greed, and excitement. Market is not the excitement place. There's a lot of excitement thing you can do in Las Vegas, not in the market. The market will teach all these people a lesson, those who are buying high, all-time high. Okay, moving forward to ICP, we are in profit on our position. We'll continue holding our position towards 631 first price target 200 EMA in the neckline of the double bottom pattern right here. So we are not in a hurry to close our ICP. We have closed our position on ADA, Cardona. We have also closed our position on Algo, Rand. So two position in the profit has been closed. We have multiple cryptos. We have Internet Computer, we have GRT, we have Link, we have VeChain, we have Litecoin. So there are a lot of cryptos that we are in right now. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, okay? Except Ethereum and Bitcoin, we have quite a few positions, okay? So especially on the ICP, we are continuing holding our position. The first price target 631, either make or break. So this will be the area, okay? Like the Bitcoin when it was 117, we were looking for make or break. So on the Internet Computer, ICP, 631 is the make or break point. Either it will break out and continue towards 826, or it will fail and then again correction, and then next time it will shoot up, okay? So right now we are looking at 631. What kind of setup will be at 631? If this kind of bearish engulfing candle comes right here, we'll be out right away. If continue green candle coming, like forming one candle higher than the next one, so then the previous one, okay? So the candle higher than the previous one, like this one. So next higher than this, higher than this, higher than this, like the current candle higher than the previous candle. If this kind of setup comes, so we'll continue holding our position. First bearish engulfing price spin, we are out of ICP with the profit. Our break-even is 493. So 631 is the price target we are looking at. Before that, we have nothing to do. We'll continue holding our position. Moving forward to Cardona, okay, right here, Cardona. We were looking for this kind of run. Our entry was 0.5183 right in this wick at the bottom. This is what we took the entry right in this area. It took the exit at 0.68 area right in this area, which was 200 EMA. We were looking for some kind of a retest right here, like correction and then shoot up. It had a breakout. Okay, no problem. Now we are waiting for the entry. We are trading this on 50x perpetual contracts, okay, on the BTCC. So anyone who is not in the group and watching me on YouTube, you can open your account on the BTCC and you can copy my trade. Algo will copy exactly whatever the trade I will take. So you don't have to look at the screen. You don't have to scan the market, nothing. Just copy my trade and that's it. I will trade on my account and same order will be executed in your account. Okay. So that's a good thing. I have just switched my account last week from Coinbase to BTCC. Perfect setup. A lot of when you go 50x, 500x, the heartbeat goes quite faster. So, but that's how it works in a 1 minute time frame. Okay. So we are looking for a little bit more upside. Even when it was trading at 0.51, I knew it. The price target is 81, 0.81, 126, and 289. There is a lot of hell of upside on Cardano from here. Okay. So we were looking for a little bit of correction because we are on the top of the linear regression. I want to see a little bit of correction. There is another fractal pivotal right here. If you look at this one, so we are in this area where we need the correction. Why we need the correction? If you look at, if this is wave one, this is wave one. We need a wave two right here before it goes wave three right here like this one. Okay, break the neckline. So let's say it goes just a random price target. It's not that it's $1. Okay, so just something like this. I'm looking for a little bit of correction in Cardano here so that we can take an entry around 65, 69. 65 entry will be good and not 69. Let's pull it a little bit up. So this is what I'm looking at, 65 area entry right here. So 65 and then shoot up towards 81. So I'm waiting patiently. It's overbought. If you look at the RSI, we are about to have a 1 or 2 more candle and you'll see the red candle coming, fading green coming up, which means the volume will start dropping and a death cross and pull back. So in next couple of days, most likely, let's say if I give you the time frame, so 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So roughly around next 10 to 15 days, you will see the price dropping into 0.65, 65. What was my entry? Next entry, I'm looking at 6569. I think yes, 0.6569. I will take the entry and then ride all the way to 0.81. Okay. So on Cardano, we are looking for this re-entry. Repeat the trade. Algorand, we are not looking to take a trade. We have a solid shoot up. Now there is no point taking a trade because if from 15 it has already gone to 100%. Even if it had a little bit of correction, there is no point entering the position. It will not come to 27 and 16 area. Until then, it's not worth buying. So we had a solid 66.67% profit on this one, and we are out. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. The market is about to open, and I will see all the Discord member in the Discord with the precise detail. We won't be buying any stock today. Market is overall red, so be careful. It's not a buying day. Some covered call will be closing with the profit, and definitely we'll wait a couple of more days before we have to start averaging down in position. But right now, book the profit on the previous covered call, sell more covered call. Okay, discuss your trade. All right, all good. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day.